1, 2, 3, come on!
Assalamualaikum guys, hope you're doing well. कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make aesthetic intros for your channel. So let's get started. So here we have so many varieties for your intros. So I'm just going to choose aesthetic. So here is a full section of it. So I'm just going to choose this one. And I'm just gonna download it. So I'm just gonna put the link in the description box below. And I'm actually super sad because there are now our views are getting lower and lower, and like what the heck. But we have completed our 55 subscribers, yay! So let's get started. So I'm just gonna put some text over here. So I'm just gonna put mine. It is just literally shouting at the back. I'm just gonna put some text over here. I'm just gonna put Rida vlogs. I think I'm just gonna put vlogs with Rida, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know, this font does not look good actually. I don't like this. So I'm just gonna choose the glitch one because this is my favorite and this is aesthetic too. So yeah, just gonna put done. Then just gonna put it like over here. I'm just gonna choose the animation. I'm gonna take it. So yeah, this looks good. Done. Okay, so you can add any stickers, picture if you want. I don't want to add any picture. I don't want pictures. I want maybe a sticker, I guess. I don't know. So I should add that. Yeah, I think I should add. Wait, not right now actually. Wait, I should add it like over here. Wait, what the heck? I should add a sticker over here. Yes, or I guess this one. So just for a second, you know. No wait, I just should show up it. What the heck? Okay, so yay! So I'm just gonna add a pop effect over here. So I'm just gonna choose the music and I'm just gonna choose sound effects. And I think I should do like the funny, I guess. I don't know, maybe live, I guess, because I want a pop sound, you know. Yeah, I think I should do this. Yeah, so yes, only for like this much sound. Yay! So now I should add some music too. I think I should choose something from the intros, I guess, or the static. I think soothing something. Yeah. Can I lower the sound? Or we cannot literally. I think I should do like. I think I should choose something from intros. I carry my car. This is aesthetic. Yup. This is super aesthetic. So I carry my car. So I'm just gonna like. So I'm just gonna like wait, hold on a second. Yeah, I'm just gonna add some titles over here. Like I'm just gonna put like I'm gonna add a text over here. I'm just gonna put please subscribe me, and I'm just gonna put a cute sticker over here, I guess, or maybe my favorite, of course, favorite emoji of all time. Where is it? Oh my god. Okay, so yay. And choose the fonts. I don't know why it does this. Okay, so change the animation again. Yay! And then I'm just gonna add the pop effect over here too. Yay! Where is the sound effects? Where was it? I actually forgot it. I think it was in the life. Yes. Mm. No, dude. No, not over here. No. Wait. Hold on a second. I'm just gonna adjust it up. So, guys, I adjusted, and now you can. I carry my heart. This looks super aesthetic. Now I'm just gonna save it. Yay! So I'm just gonna show up. So, guys, this is the intro. I carry my heart. And this looks super good, and I love it. So guys, I'll see you guys next time in my next video. See you guys next time. Bye. I give you my heart.